So how old were you when you first noticed your hair loss?
Oh, I would say in my 30s. It affected me by, always looking at my appearance and making sure that the little bit of hair I had was covering the right spots. Well, my neighbor had his hair done and I just couldn't believe it, and I said, wow, this is something I would be interested in, and the next thing you know, I'm seeing the doctor for consultation. Couldn't be better. It was really a great experience. Very relaxing, not a lot of pain. Not too many people have I told that I had a hair transplant. My complexion looked better, I felt better. You look in the mirror and you just can't believe it, and then Millie takes out a few pictures way before, and we just sit there laughing and saying, oh my goodness, look at the way you looked. Look how you look now, oh my goodness. Some people have noticed, they'll say something different about you. You look different. You look younger. Your hair. What's going on with your hair? The investment is well worth it for anybody. 150%. Dr. Bolton, thank you for making me feel like I'm 50 years old when I'm 70. I'm so glad that I met you, and Dominic introduced me to you, and I'm very happy, and it was a wonderful experience, and the end result was, it's a terrific feeling for me.